Hello everyone, welcome back to Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can create a Facebook account. So to create the Facebook account, first you need to download the Facebook application. Once you download the app, you tap upon the application. This will direct you to the homepage of Facebook. Here you need to tap on create new Facebook account. Tap on next. The first process to creating a Facebook is to provide your name. Type in your name over here, then tap on next. You choose your date of birth, then tap on next. Now you need to choose your gender over here, tap that, tap on next. To sign up for the Facebook, there are two options. You can sign up through the phone number or you can sign up through the email address. We're gonna go through the email address, so tap on sign up with email address. Now here you type in the email address that you want to sign up for. Then tap on next. You need to provide a password for your Facebook account. Once it's done, you tap on next. Finish signing up. You tap on sign up. Do you already have a Facebook account? No, as we are creating a new one, you tap on no, create new account. You have successfully created a new account for yourself. So here you need to provide a profile picture for that account. I'm just gonna skip this. You can add a profile picture by tapping on add picture. I'm gonna skip this process, tap on skip. And with that, you have created yourself a Facebook account. So this is how you can create a Facebook account on the application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.